Hello everyone, and good morning for those who are having the morning. So let's go, let's have and see what we are having currently on the market. For those who are online and live there with me now, use the live chat, ask anything you want. And for those who are watching me as well on YouTube, feel free to use the chat. I can see the both chats and I will be answering all your questions. So let's go, let's see what we are having this week on the market. Okay, so previous week, the end of the week, Thursday, Friday was really volatile. There was a lot of setups. DXY also extended way to the upside. There was the nice setup which confirmed one more wave to the upside. As you can see there on the picture, it is pushing higher. Okay, so there was the correction which has completed itself. Okay, so we have an impulse and 1 2 3, okay, flat formation, and this flat formation to keep on pushing higher. Okay, so if you recognize this on the right time, you will be capable to enter the trade over there. For those who didn't, there was another chance to get into the trade, and if you still didn't get in, you can still get in. Okay, this will correct 10 times soon, but only on 15 minutes probably, and then it will push this way to break the top, and then we'll see any changes. Can it turn to downside earlier? It can, but I don't see. Okay, so based on that, we will say that we are having over there the running flat now. Okay, we are having the running flat there, and this is the confirmation over there. Okay, this is the confirmation that this is the running flat, and based on those pictures we know where this is heading to. Okay, this wave to appear over there before we will see any changes. Okay, that's how it will develop. Let's see the daily picture. The daily picture still stays the same. Okay, picture is still there. I can still see this one to push lower. Okay, there is no any doubt that this will gonna change. So no changes over there. Like this one, so 1 2 3 classical flag, it's still there. We are still in this third wave, which still didn't complete itself, and yeah, now we have to complete it. We can trade it, of course, but that ain't gonna be a long-term trade. So watch there on 15 minutes, probably you will find some sell stops. Okay, so let it correct, and then this move to appear over there during the week. Okay, so when it will appear, I don't know exactly, but when it will appear, you have to be in the trade. Okay, so if you want to go for this buy, otherwise if you want to wait, you can still wait, and then you'll watch for the sell opportunities. Okay, so simple. So let me just put some arrows over there like this, you know which direction you're trading. Okay, so based on that, we can assume that euro dollar will go to the downside nicely. Okay, so same there, euro dollar, you can still watch for sell stops. There was a couple of sell stops on Friday. Okay, so as you can see, this flag, it's so amazing, and yeah, you'll be able to catch a breakout. You'll also be able to catch it from the top, depends how good you are and if you know where the correction is about to complete, but at least breakout is what you need. Okay, so at least breakout is what you need to catch. On Friday it was really nice movement, and it's keep on dragging lower. So what you will do in this week, you can still watch for one more, and then you can take a trade. Okay, so something like this to appear again. Okay, maybe even smaller, we'll see, but definitely you're supposed to not sell right now. Okay, you have to watch for this correction. Okay, you can sell without having that correction. Why? For those who don't know why, if you sell now, look at what will happen. Okay, it can go up and you will have a drawdown. Okay, so why watching drawdown on your account if you can wait? Okay, here's my question. Why getting in if you can wait and have an even better risk to reward ratio, better profit, better entry point, more time, and good entry to manage your trade and so on. Okay, so if you not be that patient, if you'll not wait for this kind of the correction, those options will not be available to you. Okay, you will have a bad risk to reward ratio, you will have no option to manage your trade. Okay, and your emotions will be pushed, because you'll be watching the drawdown on your account. Okay, so those are three main factors that are really important why not to getting into the market somewhere there. Okay, so simple tip. So yeah, wait for the correction and keep on dragging lower. That's gonna be a nice trade. Okay, nice trade. How far? Let's see. I think it can just break those lows over there. Okay, so breaking it and then going higher, same as the dollar did. Okay, so the dollar has the buy view. Okay, so dollar is doing this. Okay, so this is the dollar picture, if you guys know. Okay, I just inverted chart over there, euro dollar. Okay, so I just inverted the euro dollar chart, so you can see that there is the exactly same picture that we are having on DXY. Okay, this is running flat, exactly the same, and we just have to go and break these tops. Okay, break it and then going lower. Okay, that's what we will be watching and what we will be trading. So let me just bring back the chart now. Here it is. So this is just for quick view. Okay, so quick view, DX5, give me it back. Let me read like this one and then going higher. Okay, so euro dollar are the same. That's it. Okay, so simple. You guys know what to do with the dollar and euro dollar. Aussie USD, what we are currently having over there, I don't think that this is the sell stop. Okay, so I don't think that this is the sell stop. Short term sell stops, yes, you can take them. How far? They can come back close to that low. Okay, but I still don't see that this is the sell stop which will go and push lower. But definitely you can be selling those sell stops. Okay, so if I will move on lower time frame, example 1 hour, okay, you will be able to take those sells all the way down. One more will appear and then going lower, and then we may see some changes. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm saying that this is not gonna go so strong and continue to the downside. Okay, the strength is point. Okay, but yeah, you can keep watch for the correction and take a sell. Okay, that's what you can do. Easy to trade. Okay, so this is so easy. Don't make trading complicated. Just follow the flags and profit will be on your side. Okay, and just let me quickly answer the question that I'm having on the price. Okay, people are asking how to join the academy. You guys you have options to pick the membership. Just simply go to the website tradewithmaster.eu. Links are below the video. Go to the website, pick the membership that fits with you. All the memberships are with lifetime membership, and once you will complete the membership payment, I will add you to my groups. Okay, there is the Slack is what we are using. We are always communicating, sharing the setup there. You will be able to ask anything you want, and you can also ask for your trades. Okay, so if you have a bad trade, you can ask, or you can ask where to enter, how you will enter, how the people will be enter, and my traders will help you answer your questions and help you to pick the best timing, and what is most important, to teach you. So next time you will know how you will enter. And of course you will get also educational videos. Those are the pre-recorded videos on my website. You will get the access to them. You have to watch them and you will learn. Okay, and there is also a daily webinar. We're always having a daily webinars every morning where we are watching the charts together. Okay, so we have now quick update. We are going now with interaction of every member in the Slack. Okay, so before the meetings was like a bit similar like this one. My members were only typing there in the chat. Now we will make some updates and we will go live with everyone. Okay, so everyone will be able to speak with me, and there will be probably deep discussion, and those webinars will be a bit, those daily webinars will be a bit longer probably. We'll see. I think this is a really good update that we are doing now in the academy, and I can see that this will help people improve their knowledge and find the best setups and how to act in the real market. So this is it. Let's go. If you have any questions, just feel free to contact me, TradingView, or you can simply send me the email or also Telegram chat. Okay, so that's all. Let's go. If you have any questions, you can also use the chat if you're there and have questions. So Aussie USD, like I said, okay, so if it cracks, short-term sell, how far? Maybe back to that previous low, okay, but momentum is not good, okay, so I don't like that slow momentum to the downside. Aussie yen, okay, it's pushing lower there on Friday, was a sell stop. Those who took it, great, you have to take off your profit, okay, so if you watch the 1 hour correction over there, there's the nice 1 hour correction, okay, so nice flag which has appeared over there and then break down, okay, so nice, you can take off your profit. This will gonna correct, and if you will not take your profit away from the market, you can end up with a break-even trade, and this is really bad decision, okay, so sometimes I see that people are just not taking their profit, okay, so they are not taking their profit away from the market, and their trade goes simply to the zero, okay, to the break-even, okay, and that's not good. Don't put your profit back to the market. And what you have to do on the Aussie yen, yeah, let it correct and then you will keep on selling. Aussie chief, what we're having there, let me have a quick look there on the 4 hour structure. Okay, so yeah, let's wait for the correction there and more downside. Okay, so this is what you have to wait for the correction, wait for flag to appear and go for this sell. Okay, so Aussie chief can go for one more low, at least breaking this low, and then we have to decide. Okay, so it could be a nice day trade. Okay, day trade if you find the good sell stop, which is not yet there. Okay, this is not a sell stop yet, you have to wait a couple more candles. Okay, even 15 minutes is not there, so wait, don't get in. That could be a problem if you will get in right now. Okay, so wait for clear nice flag and nice pullback before getting into the trade. Aussie cat, let's see where we are. I think this is gonna push to the upside, so Aussie cat to push higher. 1 hour. So like that. Okay, so if this breaks the downside, then it will be no any buy stops. Okay, so breaking below this low means that there will be no buy stops. It's gonna go for and extend for one more low. Okay, so this correction will just get bigger, nothing special. Okay, just getting bigger, then it will go higher. Okay, this is how it can turn itself. So what we can do, okay, you can buy above the high. Okay, if this breaks to the upside aggressively, you can take a buy above the high. If it is not moving, then take it off. Okay, don't hold it if it's not going. Okay, this needs to go. Okay, drag higher, back at these highs again. Also New Zealand pushing lower, so yeah, there it could be one more low. Okay, so that could be the expanded flat correction, one more low before we will see the deeper correction and more to the downside. Okay, so it can get quite complicated, especially if you're a new trader. What you have to do is just wait for the 15 minutes. Okay, so if you want to be the seller, wait more. That's not a sell yet. Okay, let it be bigger, then take this sell back at previous lows, break all of them, take off your profit, and then watch again. Okay, don't hold the trade. This is not the trade which you will have to hold. New Zealand USD, this one is on the spot where it needs to tells us where it will move in the future. Okay, so really important spot right now. If this corrects there, then we will be pushing lower. Okay, correction there will confirm that there is the more downside in the future. So simply wait for this correction to appear. Now you don't have anything. Okay, so now you don't have anything. This is just sliding down there, losing its momentum, but it will have to correct at any time soon, and then more downside. Okay, so can it also break to the upside? Let's see. No, I don't, at least not yet. Okay, this is quite sharp. Okay, so this is quite sharp momentum, which is not having the sell stop right now. Okay, there was the sell stop, another one will appear. Okay, and you can take that sell all the way to downside. Okay, so buy, it's not yet there. We will watch it, maybe there it will be buy setup. if this breaks aggressive to the upside, corrects, then there it will be the buy stop. Okay, but we don't have that kind of the behavior right now, so ignore the buy. Okay, ignore the buy, just stick to the sell. Easy. Okay, and until we are having the dollar which is pushing to the upside, we can just watch for the sell there. Okay, so simply watch for sell stops, wait for them. 15 minutes, 1 hour, that's gonna be enough. Okay, so enough, but good trade. Okay, so good trade. How much we'll be able to catch? Yeah, 240 pips. Okay, so my traders, put that on your watch list, New Zealand USD. Okay, and just search for the sell stops. New Zealand Chief, interesting. Okay, so this one is interesting chart. This looks like now it will go for one more low at least. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then extension to the upside. We supposed to not see any aggressive sells over there until we are going lower. Okay, not aggressive moves over there. Can this also be the reversal chart? It can be, but I want to see their correction going higher first. Okay, this is still the big flag which is pointing to the upside, breaking these highs, so I don't see that there is a sell. Okay, so I don't see any sell opportunities over there, only buy setups are there, so just wait for them. Okay, just wait for buy stops. There's nothing yet at the moment. This can just slowly climb back down, and then we will finally start its move to the upside. Okay, so this is how the move looks like, and then we will have a final wave to the upside. Easy. Okay, New Zealand yen, this to keep on dragging lower. Okay, lower, it's what we will see. So let me take everything off the charts, and let's see what we are having there. It can go lower. This can keep on dragging lower. Okay, so watch for sell stops. I can see the break of the previous low. Yeah, of course, watch for sell stops. Okay, watch for sell stops. This could be the running flat. Okay, so this relationship to this, then we will go down. Okay, so that's definitely a sell stop. Okay, watch for your sales over there on the New Zealand yen. That ain't gonna push higher. Okay, that ain't gonna go push higher. So watch for the sell stops, take a sell. Sell, it's really good chart to watch there. I mean, opportunity. Did we break the high over there? Quite slightly. Okay, but yeah, keep on watching for sell stops there. Sell all the way back at previous low at least. Okay, but I can see we can break it easily. So 1 hour will be your friend, and you can keep on selling. Okay, there will be a lot of sell stops, so don't worry. Okay, don't worry. New Zealand cat, this to push higher. Okay, New Zealand cat to push higher. Is there any buy setup? Let's have a quick look on the 1 hour. Not yet. Okay, so not yet. What you have to do is wait for this one. Okay, so then we will have a running flat, then boom, this will go to the upside. Okay, so you may buy above the high if this running flat will be nice, or if this will be the running flat, let's say like that, then you can buy above the high on the strong break to the upside, and you can simply just take the trade. How far it will go? It will go at least back at the previous stop. Okay, this is where the price will go. This is a nice 4 hour flag there, basically appearing for one more leg higher. Okay, so this wave will not be big one. Okay, it will be just small one. Okay, then I can still see we are going downside. Okay, this, and then we'll go for the bigger correction if this will go to break this top. Okay, so that's how we are anticipating and what we are watching currently, but definitely watch for 15 minutes will be good. Okay, so if you watch the 15 minute sell stops, okay, like this, and then going higher. Keep your eyes on your chief. Your chief is trying to break out of this daily structure. Okay, so it's trying to break out of this daily structure, but it still didn't convince me that this will go to the upside aggressively. Okay, so definitely would love to see some nice buy stops on 1 hour. Okay, so we are having currently some setups in the making. Okay, so there is the running flat in the middle, we are breaking lower, we are completing this structure, and yeah, this can explode to the upside, so keep an eye there for the buy setup. Definitely, okay, it can go higher, so put your alarms there over there in case if this will aggressively break to the upside, you will be reminded and you can get in. Okay, so can this break to the downside? Of course, as well it can. Okay, so but then what we have to do is wait for this, go for the trade. Okay, so I mean this, and this. Only then we will be the sellers. If this is breaking, it's still the buy setup, it's still the buy, it's still the buy, it's still the buy. Okay, and then boom, it can just go. Okay, there's where most traders are getting confused. Okay, if this is dropping, they think that there's the sell. No, it's not the sell. Sell will be only available if there will be the flag. If there is no flag, the buy is still available, or you are waiting. Okay, so you have only two chances. You are still waiting. Okay, so simple. So same there. Okay, so there you have exactly the same. There was the buy, that starts to drop. It's still the buy, it's still the buy, it's still the buy, it's still the buy. Doom. There it cancels the sell stop, buy stop, sorry, and then we start watching for the sell stops. You see, it's so simple. The chart will always tell you where it will go. Okay, but you cannot decide based on that movement. Okay, you can decide based on that movement. You can just predict this is your confirmation and then you go for the trade. Okay, simple as that. So same there, repeat the steps there. Okay, we are in the buy stop, this is the buy stop. If it corrects, then yes, we can go for the sell. Otherwise, stick to the buy. Simple. Euro cat, this one to push higher. Okay, so I still searching there for the buy stops. This can give us some running flat. Okay, so same running flat. I can see that all cat pairs are forming that running flat for more upside. Okay, so this is what we are having on most of the cats, I think. Okay, at least on the New Zealand cat and Euro cat is what we're having now, and these two keep on pushing higher. Okay, at least breaking this top. So nice trade. It's there. Your USD, we already talk about it. Okay, we know where it is heading to and how to get in. Correction, get in. Euro yen, this is pushing lower really aggressively, so if you manage to get in previous week, then great. Okay, you can slowly watch to take off your profits, because this is gonna go correct and you can add more. Okay, so how far is it going? Let's see. It definitely will be breaking this low. Okay, this low is what we will see and what we will break. Okay, can also go down, spike up and go down. Yes, this will be just a simple running flat and then continuation. The downside will be even stronger. Okay, so even stronger, even faster. So we can just simply pull the trend line like this. Correction is getting bigger, trend is developing for the downside. Okay, so trend is developing for the downside and we are just watching for sell stops. Keep an eye on it. Okay, your Aussie, watch for sell stops over there. Let it do whatever it wants there. Okay, so don't be involved by this buy stop. Okay, so just simply ignore it because you will miss the sell. Okay, so you will miss the sell if you pushing this buy. Okay, so that buy, it's not worth of taking it. No, definitely not. Okay, that could just spike up and going down, so wait for sell stops only there on your Aussie. So potential is there, big potential is there. These two keep on dragging lower back at the trend line or even lower. Okay, so depends how strong the momentum will be, so only stick to the sell stops on your Aussie. Your GBP, this is still in this triangle thing, I think. Okay, so I think that triangle will appear over there. Okay, before we'll see any movement which will keep going higher. Okay, so during this week, what you can do is the expanded flat. If you find any flags there, watch to take this buy. Okay, this is your GBP to keep on dragging higher. Can break slower? Yes, it can, but not without sell stop. Okay, so watch there, let it do whatever it wants to do, let it correct slowly, and then going back, breaking those tops, and then you'll see the reversal. So yeah, it's a good trade. Okay, so it's a good trade if you want to go for it. Momentum is building over there. Expanded flat it's also there. So we just need the confirmation now before we will watch for that trade. Here in New Zealand, same there, watch for sell stops. Okay, lower time frame, you want to see the sell stop and then keep on pushing lower. Okay, so is there the big potential? Of course. This correction, daily correction, it's completed for me. Okay, so this daily correction is completed for me, and I would love to see there are some sells that will come. Okay, so but it's not ready yet. We just simply have to wait. Something is in the making. It can just spike down, spike up, and then we will have the movement. Okay, just leave it until there is the sell setup, clear sell stop. Here on Nokian, I'm trying to bounce off, but I don't see what this is trying to tell us. I think that there's still the sell. If it corrects, go for the buy, and then we'll go for the sell. Okay, if this corrects, then I think there will be just a bigger correction before this will go lower. Okay, only bigger correction. I don't see the total reverse to the upside. Okay, I don't see total reverse to break the top, at least not yet. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so buy, stop, take it. You will see how far it goes. Euro Polish, wonderful buy stops during the previous week. Okay, so as you can see, there was a lot of good setup. If you take them, well done. Okay, so well done. And what you can do now, once we are at the top, don't trade. Okay, simple as that. Don't trade there at the top. Why? You want to see deeper correction, then take the trade. Okay, simply just don't get in there. It's quite a risky one. Okay, it's quite a risky one. How far this one is heading to? I think that this is heading to the upside. Okay, so it's worth watching the buy setups, but not yet. Okay, so not yet. I would love to see there the deeper correction. So you can see how impulse are getting shorter. You see, impulse are reducing. So that means you're supposed to not get in the buy from there where it is right now. You want to see the deeper correction. Okay, so you want to see the deeper correction. Why? Because then the impulse will get bigger. Okay, impulse will get bigger if you have the bigger correction. Okay, so simple as that. Pound chief, come on, let's go. Okay, so this is the trade that we've been waiting for since really long. I think that forecast is since there. Okay, so since there was the forecast for this sell, now we have a this correction and one more sell. Okay, so if we will go to my profile, I have posted there the idea of pound chief. Okay, so pound chief, where is it? Okay, we've been waiting it since the beginning of the September. Okay, and there is the one more, just a second, where is it? Pound chief, here it is. Okay, so once this correction was in the making, we've been selling it, and there is where the correction is now appearing. Okay, correction is now appearing, and I can still see the sell over there on pound chief. Okay, good chart to watch. Okay, so sell stops, take them all the way down. Okay, that could be a nice opportunity today. Okay, so today, watch this today. Okay, correction is what you need before selling. Okay, don't sell. Why are you supposed to not sell? This could still be the running flat for one more high and then going lower. Okay, so don't be stuck over there. Don't sell immediately. Makes no sense. Wait for the confirmation, then get in. Okay, so you're supposed to not rush for the trades, guys. You will end up with some problems by rushing for the trades. Pound yen, wonderful sell was there. If you missed it, now you cannot do anything. Okay, just leave them. How far they are going to, let's see. This could break out of this daily structure. Okay, so move could be quite huge one. Oh yeah, of course. Did we break the top? No, we didn't break the top. But we break the bottom. Yep, we break the bottom. So this could be still the running flat. Okay, this could be the huge running flat, which will push the market to the downside. Okay, so it's worth of watching for the sell stops. We need some momentum, strong momentum, sell stop definitely. Okay, so I will not be ignoring the sell stops on the pound yen, there's the nice setup and nice money basically. Okay, so if you skip that one, don't skip the next one. Okay, so put it on your watch list, wait for this, take in. Okay, get in and just move. Okay, so this could be the contracting flag. Okay, this to be the contracting flag, and now we are just pushing lower, 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 lower. Okay, just follow those corrections, follow the sell stops. That could be a nice move. Okay, pound USD, same there, it breaks lower. There was a setup again on Friday. Of course, there was a lot of setups on Friday. Okay, as you can see there, we move on 1 hour. 1 hour is better for you. Okay, so look at that one, how big correction or how big flag you're having over there. Okay, so and this to break lower. Okay, so if you catch the breakout, you did really well. If you didn't, then you still have a time to get in. Okay, so wait for the correction and then get into the trade. Breaking this low, it's the minimum what we will have. Pound New Zealand, definitely sell stops. Okay, you can see the most of the pounds are trying to push lower, so watch to join. Okay, watch to join this wave to the downside. Okay, so it's worth of watching the sells there. Okay, even 15-minute sell stops are good. Okay, so if you are able and if you're skilled enough, you can watch for those sell stops on 15 minutes. Okay, so wait for the pullback, take in. No, I mean get in. Okay, easy. But yeah, definitely you will be a seller there as well. Same there, pound Aussie. Okay, so here is the nice example when I'm saying to you guys, don't buy at the top. So what is the reason? Look at that one. There is the correction. Is it? Okay, so let me move on the 1 hour. Is it? Is it the correction? Of course is it. Okay, of course this is the nice running flat over there. Running flat, and based on your expectation, you can buy above the high or somewhere there. But look at that one, what happened. Went up and aggressively returns and reverse. Okay, so this is what I don't like. Okay, when chart breaks and return, okay, reversal. Based on that, I rather watch for this move. Okay, rather wait for the sell stops. Sell, it's what will last longer. And where is the money? Okay, money is there, money is not there. Okay, money is there. You always have to ask yourself, where is the money and how I will make. Will I make money with this kind of the movement? No, of course you will not. Will I make money in this movement? Of course I will. Okay, so I will make enough money for a living in this kind of the movements. Okay, I will not make enough money for a living there. I will not make money for a living there. I will not make money for a living there. But definitely I will make money for a living there. Okay, you always have to act like that, watch the bigger trades, stronger trades, which ain't gonna reverse in 1 candle, 2 candles. Okay, so stick to it, otherwise I don't know how you will generate the profits. Okay, so this is a small buy which was there. Okay, so yeah, watch for the sell stops there. Okay, so keep on selling at least back at the previous low, but I can see more. Okay, I can see that there is coming bigger movement. Okay, so big movement, big correction is there. Okay, so you can see that this is the correction over there, and we will be going lower. Okay, so first target is there, but I can see that we are having some possibilities also to break that and retest the previous lows. Okay, so trend could be quite strong. Okay, so if we will move to the weekly, okay, weekly, there is the correction which is confirmed by another correction where this is about to go. Okay, so first is what I'm saying over there, and the next stop is by the previous low. Okay, so there is a lot of money. Okay, so a lot of money, you'll be easily able to make or double your account. Just watch and stick to the sell stops. Okay, don't be blinded by the buy stops. Okay, don't be blinded by those buy stops. They are just there to basically take your money and to stop you by selling it and making money. Okay, but yeah, definitely watch for the sell stops. Good chart to watch. Okay, so put it on your watch list. Put it on your watch list. Pound CAD, this one's trying to push higher, but yeah, here's the again move which we're supposed to not watch. Okay, there it could be the buy, but don't go for it. Okay, that's the move we're supposed to not trade. Okay, don't trade that move. Okay, so but let's say Palm Cat, it's not looking good chart, so I do recommend you to not watch it. Okay, at least not next week. It's not looking good. There are many better setups which you can stick to, so just put it somewhere on the last spot of your watch list. Ignore it. Okay, totally. Cadian pushing lower, so can we go for the sell stops? Yes. If you find the sell stop, take it one more down, back at this low is what you will have. Cat Chief, that's supposed to go aggressively, but it's not moving. Okay, so those trades are supposed to be taken off at the break-even trade. So what is it trying to do? Okay, so I think that this could be the also correction, and then to keep on pushing higher. Okay, so watch it to aggressively pushing higher. Okay, this to drag higher. Of course, watch it. Chief Yen going lower. Okay, so there was the big correction over there. This to keep on pushing lower. How far this can go? Oh, that can go quite nice. Okay, but we need a correction and then going lower. Okay, so don't buy without having the correction. Okay, this could be 1, 2, 3, one more high, breaking lower. Okay, so wait for the sell stop. There was one on the Friday, same. Okay, so there was a sell stop, so wait for another one before you are selling. Chief Nokian, I think we are still in this correction, and this to go for one more low, possible, right? So buy it's still not confirmed. Okay, so I think that this is still this big running flat. Okay, so big running flat. Come on, that's what we are having over there. Okay, so I do recommend you to stick for the sell stops. Okay, stick for the sell stops. I can see we are going lower, so keep your eyes on. Can also break to the upside. Yes, it can. Okay, so this can go even for the bigger correction before going lower, so don't sell without selling flag for the sell. Okay, USD Chief has changed its direction. Okay, a little bit. There was the confirmation for buy, and then it starts to pushing higher. So what we can do right now, this could just drop lower, give us the running flat over there, and then to go higher. Okay, that's one option. Second option, just correct there and push higher. Okay, for this movement, simple as that. USDN is going for one more low, back at the previous bottom. Okay, so this is where we will see it. We've been watching for this flag over there to appear and break to the upside. Okay, so as you can see, there is no sell stop at the moment yet. Okay, so what we can do, wait for sell stop, take a trade. Okay, where it will appear, I don't know, just wait. Okay, so just wait, the chart will tell you on exactly right time. Okay, so same as there. Okay, you see it drops, correct. Okay, so you are not able to catch it there. Okay, so you're not skilled enough. Okay, once you'll be skilled enough, then yes, you will be able to catch it from those spots over there. But for now, be much more safe player. Okay, and then go for this sell. Okay, so wait for this, something like this, there, continuation, easy. Okay, trading is easy. It's supposed to not be complicated. Can it also break to the upside? Yes, it can. Okay, but then there it will be the strong candle which will appear, but I don't see it right now. Use this Sikian pushing aggressively higher. Okay, so there was the buy stop. Let me just show it. Okay, there is the buy stop, and if you go to bought it, you made a nice profit. Slowly take off your profit. Okay, slowly take off your profit. I don't think that this is going totally to the upside. If so, then correction is needed before it will push to the upside. Same there. USD Cat has the nice amazing buy stop. Let me just take off this one. there was the nice buy setup, as you can see, 1 2 3 flag, break up, and keep on dragging, you can see. So I'll take off these lines over there to not confuse you. So what you have to do is, yeah, you can just wait for that, for the buy stop if you want to go for it. Okay, but let me just, yeah, this is the running flat, and one more running flat can appear over there, and then we can go break the top before we'll see the reversal. So definitely you can watch for short-term sell stops, then we'll watch for the buy stops. Do we have anything right now? No. Okay, no trading from the spot where it is right now. Okay, you have to wait. Mexican buy stop. Now you don't have anything. Take off your profit slowly. Okay, everything now depends on the dollar, what the dollar will do. Okay, USD Turkish lira, wonderful buys. First buy there, second, third, fourth. Okay, so fourth buys. Take off your profit slowly. That ain't gonna last longer. I think this will go slowly lower. Okay, but yeah, it can just struggle there. It can struggle there before you see the sell. So Turkish lira will have no trades. Hong Kong dollar, if it corrects, then buy. If you bought there, you did a good job, profit. So one more correction, take a buy, back at the previous top, easy. USD South African rand, if this corrects, go for the buy. Okay, you can go for the buy. Silver did a good job also previous week, so there was the sell stop. If you take it, nice profit. Again on Friday there was the short-term sell stop. Okay, short-term sell stop was there. You can see that nice flag has appeared over there. If you take a sell, great one. So what you can do now, nothing. Okay, so this can just stay there, give us the running flat and one more low. Okay, so now you don't have anything. If you find the sell stop, take it. Take the sell stop. We are going to break that low. Okay, we are going to break that low. This is what we will have over there, and then we will see the turning to the upside. So yes, sell stop definitely for those who love to go for it. Go for it. Small trade is there. Same there with the gold. Gold has nicely pushed down lower. Okay, so here's also the idea. Okay, so some of you guys, those who are following me, they catch a nice profit over there. Okay, so I'm really happy, guys, when I see that you followers, all who are following me for since quite a while, and you are not the part of the academy, and when I post the chart or share something with you, that you take it and make money. Okay, this is really good feeling. So I'm really glad and happy to you that you made a nice profit. So the follower who saw that, he made a nice profit. I'm not gonna talk about numbers. Okay, so I saw that he did a nice profit, so well done for him. So the others who are not there, what you're supposed to do now, come on, take off your profit. Take off your profit and see what this is trying to do now. Okay, so I don't see that this is gonna reverse. Okay, so maybe something like this, and keep on dragging lower. Okay, so watch it today. This sell stop is gone from there, but next one is there. Okay, if you took that setup, you're supposed to be in the profit at least 3%. Okay, so 3% of your trading account needs to be up at least. Okay, so if you took this setup, the gold setup, and another one is with this sell, and this is supposed to be profit. Okay, small profit is what you have to take, or at least break even now. Okay, don't hold it. Sugar breaking lower, pushing lower, so keep on watching for sell stops. How far back at the trend line? These two push back at the trend line. Oil, same there. Okay, so we've been watching for sell stops. Okay, so there is where most of people are getting confused. They get the buy stop, they think that this is the buy stop, they wait for the buy stop, but then they miss the sell. Okay, this is what quite often happen, or they are waiting for buy stop, the sell appear, goes really deep, and then they recognize after 50% of the move which is gone already, then they recognize, oh, we were supposed to watch for the sell, and they get in for the sell on lower time frame, 5 minutes, and then guess what happened? Big correction appear, they are stopped out, and then they start to buying because they think that this is going to buy now. Okay, they start buying, and guess what happened? Boom, it just goes down for one more low. Okay, so that's the most common mistake that people are doing. once they start trading on wave analysis. Okay, it's not that simple. Okay, so what you have to do there is watch for the sell stops. Sell setups. Okay, there was one sell setup which is going slowly. I want to see more momentum. Can still go for the upside, yes, the possibility exists, but not yet. Okay, we just have to see that this is struggling there before we will decide that we are going to the upside. I'm much more for the downside. Okay, so I think that we can easily break down of this structure. Same there. Okay, so same there, exactly same behavior. We can break to the downside easily, but we'll see. Okay, so we will watch it definitely. Okay, that's the reason why we are watching in daily webinars the setups and discussing about it, because exactly of those situations. US 30, nothing to do. Okay, so if you're a seller from the top, you did a good job. Okay, so there was the sell stops, good sell stops. If you sell them, good. Okay, there was one more, and keep on watching for sell stops. Same there, SP 500, there was the sell stop. If you took it, great. So if there will be one more sell stop, take it. Okay, take it, but don't sell without sell stop. Why? Because this can just go to the upside and then go lower. Okay, what I would love to remind you, just ignore the buy. Okay, so if the buy will appear, just ignore it. Okay, ignore it all the time it appears. Okay, it's not worth of buying it. Okay, only selling of the SP 500. Okay, so don't buy, only sell stops. Okay, so keep on watching for sell stops. This can just break down. Nasdaq 100, same there, watch for sell stops. These to keep on pushing lower. We are quite high, so watch for the deeper correction. Okay, so this is complete structure for me. Okay, there is the impulse running flat and another impulse, so this is completed for me. Okay, so we now have all the possibilities that this can go lower. Okay, easily this can go lower. Okay, so it's worth of taking it and watching the sell stops. Keep an eye on it. German 30, they are already breaking. Okay, so no, that's not a buy stop. So if anyone of you thinking about it, no, this is just a tag of the previous high, because I know that once it will break it, it will start to reverse. Okay, there was the nice sell stop which break down aggressively. So what you have to do now, wait for the correction, take the trade. Okay, correction is what you need before you will be getting into the trade. Okay, UK 100, same there, wait for the correction, take the trade. Correction, take the trade. Correction, take the trade. Okay, so keep on selling. Sell all the time. Watch for sell stops. It doesn't matter if there will be any buy, just ignore it, don't go for it. Okay, this is most of it for the commodities and indices and forex. Now we will switch to the crypto. Okay, so crypto is doing a really nice job over there, and I have also posted the setup there for you guys. Okay, so I have posted the setup for you and hope that you have recognized it. Okay, so here it is. Previous week sometime, I don't know, on Wednesday when I posted. Okay, I posted for you and would love to see that Bitcoin will be keep on dragging lower back at 20k area. Okay, so 20k area, it's what I'm anticipating over there, but if you catch some sell stops from there, you did a good job. Now we'll watch for the possibilities, what it can do. Okay, so let me just give 5 minutes. I just have to grab a sip of water and I will be back. Okay, so give me 2 to 3 minutes and I will be back. Okay, so here I am back now. So Bitcoin, what we are having there on the Bitcoin, it's clearly nicely showing that it will push lower. Okay, oh shit, just a second. Okay, so there is the clear breakout. Okay, so there is no, you cannot say anything else as sell over there. Okay, and there was the first, second and third wave of the correction. So this by itself is completed and confirmed. Okay, so completed and confirmed, and it can easily go lower. Okay, so the momentum can appear at any time soon there. Which news or which fundamental will push it, we don't know, and we don't care. We just want to see there a strong momentum, so follow all the sell stops. Okay, just stick to the sell stops and go for the trade. Can go for one more high, yes, possible also as well. So let's see what it can also appear. So let me just take off everything like this. Let's see, like this. Can these go for one more high? Yeah, it can go, but not a lot of chances are there. Okay, so then you want to see the bigger reaction. Okay, so this is what can also appear over there. But right now, especially today, you want to see the correction and just go for it. Okay, go for this sell on Bitcoin. There was a couple of sell stops over there from the top. Okay, so sell, and there in the morning was also the sell, which you have to watch, of course. Okay, if any aggressive moves will appear, then you have to watch it in case you will have to manage it. Okay, so my traders, if you are in, great. Okay, great, protect yourself and watch for more downside there. Okay, watch for more downside there, correction, and keep on going. If it goes back to the previous top, then yeah, we will have a buy setup. Yeah, sell and more downside, definitely. Keep an eye. Ethereum USD, same there. Okay, there was same setup. Okay, as you know that all the crypto are having all the time the quite same patterns. Okay, so if one is correcting for sell, the 90% or 95% of them are doing the same. They are all have that kind of the pattern similar. Okay, and pushing lower. So Ethereum USD the same did yesterday. Sell stops, they are keep on pushing lower, so follow the sell stops. Okay, keep on dragging lower. As you can see, okay, I will delete them, I don't want to confuse you, but yeah, that's how the sell stops looks like. Sell, take a sell, take a sell, take a sell. Okay, so whole the crypto market I see for the sell there. XRP same there. Sell, sell, sell. So L yesterday has changed its direction. Okay, yesterday has changed its direction exactly there, and then it just started to push lower, so you can follow the sell stops. GTC same there. Okay, so sell, there's nothing else to say, follow it once you have the sell stop. Same there, sell stop. Okay, as you can see how the sell stop looks like, and then just keep on selling. Okay, so you also have to find the setup, confirmation, sell, and take it. ALI same there, going to lower, watch for sell stops and follow it. AVA same there, follow sell stops, keep on selling. Alpha same there, selling. Okay, so there is the setup, and then keep on dragging lower. Okay, so how far it can just easily drive deeper, depends on the Bitcoin now. Okay, but yeah, keep on selling. I don't mean just sell now, just wait for the flag and sell it. Okay, sell there, sell there. Okay, keep on watching. Sell stop. Comp same there, watch for the correction, take a sell. BLZ correction, sell. OGN correction, sell. As ZRX same there, correction, and more low. Okay, so there's nothing much to say. Okay, so they are all doing this stuff. Okay, they are all having a Bitcoin movement. Okay, when we are somewhere there, just watch, and continuation to the downside, it's what you will be watching for. Okay, so if we have any questions, guys, feel free to ask over there. Use the live chat. I will answer your questions. The most of the crypto is for sell. Okay, so I don't see any other direction there on the crypto, so stick to it. Okay, stick to those sell stops, follow it all the way down. Okay, I just want to see more momentum over there. For now, the beginning is good. Okay, the beginning of the sell momentum is good, and just stick to it. So simple as it is. So guys, do we have any questions? If we don't have any questions, then I will stop the webinar over there. And if you are interested, just send me the private message, or you need any information. So then this is it. So really nice, and if everything is clear enough. So if you are happy with the webinar that I'm doing and sharing with you, I would please you that you will share the link with others. Those who are watching me on YouTube, please hit that like button. That will help the YouTube algorithm to recommend my video to someone who is also struggling and who is not understanding the market behavior. Okay, those videos are really educational. You will learn a lot. You can also make money out of it, so please share it. It's totally for free for everyone. They can learn and they can also make money. Okay, this is the purpose of the webinar, to give you as much knowledge as I can and to share the setups with you, so you will also be able to make some money. Okay, this is it. So take care, enjoy your day, watch for the setups, and may the money be with you. Take care, enjoy your day. Bye bye.